Hello, my dear children. A pleasant good morning to you all. Welcome to your science class. Have you completed your homework? If you have any pending work, complete it quickly because you will be submitting your books and notebooks for correction very soon. Okay? So, complete your homeworks quickly. Let's start the class. I hope you all having your resources like content book, workbook, notebook, pencil and eraser. Now we are learning block 4, that is excretory system. We have completed already 3 topics, right? What are the topics we learned? First, organs of the excretory system. The main organs of the excretory system are kidneys, lungs, skin. Bladder, urethra and ureters are the other organs that also help to remove urine from the body. Next we learned organs and their functions in urinary system. The main organs of the urinary system are kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. The kidneys filter the waste from the blood in the form of urine. Then the urine carried to the bladder through ureters. Bladder stores urine for some time until it is full. Finally, the urine is passed out from the body through the urethra. What are some other organs that help the urinary system to function? Good. Blood vessels and the brain are other organs that are needed for the urinary system. Blood vessels bring impure blood to the kidneys and carry the filtered blood away from the kidneys. The brain helps to control the release of urine by sending signals to muscles in the urethra. Next, process of excretion of urine. The process of removal of waste from the body is called excretion. When the blood passes through the body, it collects waste. Once this blood passes through the kidneys, waste like urea are filtered from the blood and blood becomes clean. After that, the urine formed in the kidneys is transported to the bladder through the ureters. The urine is stored in the bladder for some time until it gets full. Once the bladder is full, we will feel the urge to urinate. The urethra helps to pass the urine out of the body. These are the topics we learned in previous class. Let's get into today's class. Can you tell me why do doctors advise us to drink plenty of water in a day? Not only doctors, our parents, teachers, everyone advise us to drink plenty of water. What is the reason? Do you know? Yes, some of you say that it gives energy. Some of you say that it helps to digest our food. Not only these, the water helps to remove the waste from the body. We should drink plenty of water in a day because it helps in the removal of toxins and other types of waste from our body. So everyone advise us to drink plenty of water. Okay? Next, bonus question of the day. Today bonus question is, which of the following actions harms the organs of the excretory system? I repeat, which of the following actions harms the organs of the excretory system? Okay, let's continue today's class. Today we will learn about ways to keep our excretory system healthy. Today our aim is suggest ways to keep the excretory system healthy. Needed resources are 2 muslin cloth pieces, 2 big paper cups, 2 tablespoons of salt, a bottle filled with water, and also your content book, workbook, notebook, pencil and eraser. Now we are going to do an activity. For that we need some resources that are 2 muslin cloth pieces, 2 big paper cups, a bottle filled with water, 2 tablespoons of salt. Most of you have these resources at your home, so you can try this activity in your own. Instead of muslin cloth, you can use your handkerchiefs also. Is everyone ready? Shall we start the activity? Come on, let's do it. First, take the 2 paper cups. Label the one cup as A and the other cup as B. Put a cloth piece on top of each cup such that it covers the mouth of the cup. Next, put 1 tablespoon of salt on each cloth. After that, pour water into cup A until it is 1/4 full. Next, pour water into cup B until the cup is 3/4 full. Now watch it carefully. Can you see any differences? Exactly. The amount of salt is reduced. You are smart. Now tell me, in which setup did more salt remain on the cloth? Yes, cup A. More salt was left on the cloth in the setup with cup A. In cup B, more salt filtered through the cloth. Right? Now, consider the cloth as kidneys and the salt as the waste. What happens to the waste in our body if we drink less water? Good. The waste cannot be removed completely. If we drink less water, all the wastes are not removed from the body and the wastes stay in the blood. Therefore, drinking plenty of water is very important to flush out the harmful substances from the body and keep the urinary system healthy. Can you tell me what are some other ways in which we can take care of the organs of the excretory system? Some of you say that drinking more water. Some of you say that eat healthy food. Good. Let me say, eating healthy food, drinking plenty of water and exercising regularly keeps the skin and lungs healthy. Maintaining personal hygiene and using the washroom as soon as you have the urge to urinate are some other ways to keep the urinary system healthy. I repeat once again, ways to keep excretory system healthy, that are eating healthy food, drinking plenty of water, exercising regularly, maintaining personal hygiene, using the washroom when you have the urge to urinate. Next, HOTS question. Why do you think processed food like biscuits and chips are harmful to the kidneys if eaten in excess amount? Do you like processed food like chips and biscuits? Many people like this kind of food. Why these food are harmful to the kidneys? I hope you found it. Let me say, processed food like biscuits and chips contain a high amount of salt. If there is more salt in the blood, the kidneys will not be able to filter it effectively. So, eating junk or processed food regularly and in excess amounts can be harmful to the kidneys in the long run. Okay? Next practice questions. In your content book, 7th and 8th questions are your today's homework. Arun does not have the habit of using the washroom at regular intervals. Write 2 ways in which this habit might affect his body. Next question. Rajani drinks only 2 to 3 glasses of water every day. How do you think this habit will affect her body? Answer these questions in your notebook. Next, worksheet questions. In S4, first question is, pick the actions that can harm different organs of the excretory system. A. Smoking. B. Eating unhealthy food. C. Not taking a bath for a week. D. Exercising. E. Using the washroom when we feel the need to urinate. You need to take the action that can harm excretory system. Second question. Write 2 ways in which you can keep your excretory system healthy. Third question. Which of these foods are more likely to harm the kidneys if eaten regularly and in large amounts? Carrots, potato chips, cakes. Give a reason for your answer. Carrots, potato chips, cakes. From these food items, which are more likely to harm the kidneys? Yes, potato chips and cakes, because it contains salt and sugar. If we eaten these food items in large amounts regularly, it can harm the kidneys. Okay? That's all for today. By this topic, we have completed the 4th block. Do your homeworks regularly and get a sign from your parents in the planner. Don't forget to do the bonus question. Very soon, we will be collecting your books and notebooks for correction. So, complete your homework regularly. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you for listening. God bless you.